Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 7th of our recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can down your assignment by watching this video. Focusing on Exp22 Excel chapter 7 HOE Salaries. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Exp22 Excel chapter 7 HOE series. Step number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the name Exp22 Excel chapter 7 HOE series. Basically in this step we have to start Excel file from Itlab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel file from Itlab dashboard. Okay. Okay, this is step number 1. Now moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that in cell F7 of the first date logic worksheet, insert the year function to identify the year from the date sorted in cell E7. Use the fill handle to copy the function from the cell F7 to the ranges F8 to 23 using the fill without formatting option. Basically, in this step we will have to enter a function in cell F7, year function in cell F7 on date logic worksheet. Go to the one date logic worksheet. Moving on one date logic worksheet, enter a year function in cell F7, year function. Then we will have to enter a formula E7. Okay, it will be found here. Identifier. Okay, you can see here it will be find value. Use fill handle to the copy the function from F7 to the range F8 to F23. Okay, use fill handle. This value will be shown. I have done this step now. This step is completed now. You can see on my PC screen. Okay, moving on next step. Next step number is step number 3. In step number 3, in cell G7, insert the year function using the higher date and last date of the year. Use relative and mixed references correctly. Use the fill handle to copy the function in cell G7 to the range G8 to G23 using the fill without formatting option. Basically, this step we will have to enter a year function in cell G7. Okay. Okay. G7 year function. Go to the cell G7 and enter this function year function. Year function. Then enter a formula. $37 G 2. Okay, 124.9 year applied. It will be shown here applied. Use the fill handle to copy the function cells G7 to the range G8 to G23 using the fill without formatting option. Okay, we will have use fill handle. Then without formatting. Right click on this without formatting. Okay, I have done this step now. Now moving on to the next step. Next step is that I have completed this step. You can see here. Now moving on next step. Next step number is step number 4. In cell H7, insert the weekday function using the higher date. Copy the function from H7 and paste to the range H8 to H23 using the number no border space option. Okay, basically in this step we will have to enter a weekday function in cell H7. Moving on Excel workbook. In cell H7 insert the weekday function. 7 and paste to the ranges J to I23. Okay, you can read this instruction and you will apply on Excel workbook. In H7, insert the weekday function using the hire date. Okay. Okay, apply this. Go to H7, moving in Excel workbook, and click on H7 and enter weekday function. Weekday function. Enter weekday function, and then we will have to enter a formula. E7, E70. Okay, days of weeks hired will be shown in here H7. H70. Sorry, weekdays. Okay, weekdays E7. Sorry, I put wrong E70. It's only E7. Days function will be shown in there. Then use copy the function from H7 to paste the range as 8 to H23 using the no border paste option. Okay, value will be shown in H7 2 and we will paste this as A to I23. Okay, all values will be shown as column match. Then no border paste option. Okay, you can see here I have done this step. This value is shown here. Okay, I have done 4 steps of this assignment. Moving on next step. You can see I have completed first step. Moving on next step. Next step is that select the ranges at 7 to 23. Apply the custom number format duty and apply left horizontal line. Basically, in this step we will have to select the range and then we will apply custom number format on this ranges. Duty custom number format. Okay. First we select these ranges. You will use a customer number format to display the result as a weekday instead of an integer. Okay, select the range at 7 to 823. Then apply the customer format. Go to number group. Go to number group. And 7 at 23. Okay. I already apply customer format. Now moving on to step number 6. Step number 6 is that in cell C7, insert the switch function to identify the city in cell B7. Switch Atlanta for south, cell C2. Switch Boston for northwest, C4. Switch Chicago for midwest, C3. Switch Cleveland for midwest. Insert city name as text string and use mixed references for the cell containing the regions. Copy the function from cell C1 and paste into C8 to C23 using the paste formula options. Okay. Go to the Excel workbook. Okay, click on cell C7. Then enter switch function. Then we will first we enter a function, then we will enter a formula B7 to Atlanta. Okay. C2 Boston. C4 Django Okay, then Cleveland, Cleveland, Cleveland. Then you can see here I have done 6 steps of this assignment. For remaining step or you want to do for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. My email and WhatsApp link in given in description. I will provide you A plus credits your assignments, exams and complete course. I have done this course for many students. They all got 100% their courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Best of luck.